Hello, my name is Izzy, and I started to experience gradual hair loss and hair thinning when I was about 20 as the result of an autoimmune disease. And over time, as it progressed, I finally made the decision in February of 2021 that I was going to buy helper hair. And anybody who has moved through that process can tell you that once you've gone past the grief of losing a part of yourself and that vulnerability into that decision to buy hair, that it can be really overwhelming and confusing, and that there aren't very many places that you can turn to for one-to-one consultation on such a big personal and financial investment for something that is such a big part of your day-to-day life and self-confidence. And so I was really thankful that I had a Bravadas here in Kansas City, and I wandered in there thinking I was just going to get a little bit of information, and instead Jess, their stylist, dropped everything she was doing that day to sit down with me and start trying on pieces and teaching me and letting me know what different types of caps meant and how to care for them and what would be best for me and different colors. And I ended up picking out this piece here, which she helped me customize until it felt like me and felt like my hair. And ever since that day, I have cherished it. It has done everything that I value and love in life along with me: biking, hiking, being with friends, working. And so you can imagine how heartbroken I was when earlier this month, returning from a trip to Colorado, I had this in a travel bag and accidentally threw it into the washer and on a heavy cycle. And by the time I pulled it out, it was an unrecognizable, tangled mess. It did not even look like hair. And my heart completely dropped. I cried. I couldn't believe that I had made such a mistake. I called the manufacturer, just wondering if they had some type of remedy or miracle that they could perform. And they have such a great relationship with Bravadas and their stylists that they were completely confident they were going to be able to help me. And I, very embarrassed, contacted them to let Jess know what I had done to this hair that she had created for me. And she took one look at it and said, "No problem, we can fix this." And her and all the girls there were so invested and cared so much that I got my hair back. They had it done by the end of the day. I couldn't even believe that they were able to do it, let alone by the end of the day, knowing that this was my main, most important piece of hair. And I'm still in shock at what a great job that they did, and that it came back to me in better shape probably than before it went into the washer. So when I say that I am just so grateful for Bravadas and the work that they do and how much they care about how we feel when we walk out of there, I just can't say it enough. So thank you so much, Jess.